How to change profile picture on Monopoly Go. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Monopoly Go gives you a random avatar or cartoon picture on your profile. And if you wanted to change that, all what you need to do is you need to click on it, and once you do that you will see a bunch of similar avatars and cartoonic pictures that you can choose from. However, if you want to add another picture besides these avatar right here, you will see that you have a Facebook icon right here, in which it allows you to connect your Facebook account to Monopoly Go. And once you do that, your Monopoly Go profile picture will be the same and similar to the current profile picture of your Facebook account. So feel free to choose whichever option suits you the best. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change profile picture on Monopoly Go. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.